Hello and welcome to the fourth lecture of Flet, like making interactive web apps with Press. With Flet is a breeze. It's not just limited to displaying the data, but it also can have user input some data. So let's get started with getting user input. And the best way to get a user input is using a button. So let's just start or remove the pass statement here, and I create a variable named button is equal to elevated button, and that button would have anything. Like you can say, click me please, and an exclamation. And now, for that button to be displayed, I need to add that in the page. Yes, so I'll use that method, that page.add, and what I have to add is the button variable which I just created. The rest code remains the same. And just save it and let's run it to view the click me please button on the page, on the application display. So if you can see, this is an elevated button. So if you just click on it, it just gets highlighted, right? So you've created a button inside the application. Now in the future lectures, in the next lecture, we'll see how to handle some or the other event of button. So we'll see that in the next lecture. Thank you so much.